It is 3 a.m. I'm in my dorm and my roommate is not here, and I decided I wanted to cut my hair off. I kept asking people like, do you think I should do it? And I got mixed reviews on it. I kept making excuses and pushing it off, like, oh, I'll do it later, or like, oh, well, I have this event I gotta go to next week, and like, I don't know, I kept putting it off. But my roommate is not here. She left for spring break early because spring break's about to start, and I'm like, screw it, it's a perfect time. So I'm gonna cut it myself. And then if it looks really bad, I'll just get like one of my friends to clean it up, or I'll go to the hairdressers tomorrow. This is how long my hair is. I don't know if you can see it. My elbows, yeah, it's about to my elbows. My elbows, waist area. There you go. That is my hair. I've been growing my hair out for so long. Like, it's taken years to get here because my hair grows really slow. But it's just been this length forever. And once, like, I wanted it to get this long, I wanted it to get to my elbows, but once it has, like, I just don't like it anymore. It's damaged, it's dead, it doesn't look good, it doesn't fit me. So it's taken me forever, it's taken a lot of dedication to get it this long. So like, I never got haircuts, and the ends are just so split and damaged, and like the very ends just go off in every direction. It never looks good. I'm tired of it, man. It's just, I'm sick of it, okay? And I'm a spontaneous person that really doesn't have a problem with it is very much a security thing. I'm a very lazy person. I don't have time to be spending an hour anytime I want to touch my hair, because it's a nightmare. I'm repeating myself and procrastinating. Let's do it. So first I'm just going to comb through it. I already combed through it like an hour ago, so it's probably pretty good. Oh, also another thing is, you can tell I've been wanting to do this because like, I'll take little sections of my hair and I'll like little hairs, like these ones, like the baby hairs around here, and I'll like cut them at my chin and then just like put it up and be like, oh, I want short hair. Okay. I'm so nervous. I'm already nervous. Okay. I haven't even like sectioned off my hair yet and I'm getting nervous. Okay, I usually keep my part on this side, but I'm gonna do it just a little bit more towards center because I do kind of like move it around so it's not really centered, but just kind of like there. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Like, anytime anyone complimented me for anything, it was always my hair. Okay, I'm shaking along. It's fine. More coffee. If it looks bad, whatever. It's just hair. It's just hair. See, even just having it not brushed for 2 seconds, it's already got tangles in it again. Oh wow, okay. I think I want it to be like collarbone length, like between like shoulders and collarbone length. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer than that, and then we'll like trim it up. How did I let it get this long? So should I do like that? Put it here? And then just cut? I probably should have done more research on this. I'm gonna cut it like here, because I want it to actually be like here, but I'm gonna cut it a little lower. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna keep moving this down because I'm gonna keep trimming. I should really have someone helping me with this. I just feel like it's something I need to do myself, if that makes any sense. Oh my god, it just became real. Like, I looked where I was gonna cut. Does that look even? Probably not. So just there. I'm just gonna... I keep moving them down slowly. Okay, I'm really nervous. Oh my god. Alright, we in this now. Oh my god. Oh, the sound is so strange. Oh my god. Oh my god. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, such commentary just says oh my god 10 times. But really though. Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Look at this. This is weird. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it. I mean, it's really blunt. It's actually pretty straight. I'm actually really impressed with how straight I got. It's the perfect length. Okay, I don't even want to cut any off this. This is amazing. Wow. I feel like I already look older. Oh my god. It doesn't feel real. It feels so light. What is happening? Oh my god, this is so weird. Oh my god. This is really strange. Like, I can't tell you how strange it is to like be holding it away from my body. Oh my god, I'm like shaking right now. I really love it. Oh, it's cute. Okay, I can't believe I finally did this. I've been wanting to do this for so long. This is so weird. This is so weird. Okay, I'm freaking out. Alright, well that's the final look. I hope you guys like it. I'm just gonna keep this one long and this half short. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the other side because I'm freaking out about it. Oh my god, this is so strange. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is weird. It's so satisfying. You know those videos that's like, try not to be satisfied? Like, this is the most satisfying thing in the world to just like, oh my god, I love it. I'm not even done yet and I'm already freaking out. Okay, okay. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. You're fine. You're almost there. Oh my lord. Alright, this side was definitely worse, but it just had more hair. So, oh, almost there. It's literally hanging on by a thread. Oh, this is weird. Oh my god, I can't believe I actually did this. It was like a pipe dream of mine to do this. Come on, come on, come on. And, oh, this is, oh my god. And just like that, I have short hair. Wow. Wow. I didn't think I'd look like this. Oh my god, it's so just light. It's still like greasy because I haven't washed it in a day or two, but it's like really light. Oh my god, I need to clean up this edge. It looks like it lined up pretty damn well. I'm gonna like take a trash bag now and like actually trim it. It hasn't sunk in. It feels like I'm dreaming. Am I dreaming? I feel like I'm dreaming. Okay, is my hair still long enough to pull back in a pony? Oh my god! Look how short it is! First, I'm gonna just chop these ones that when I flip over my hair, they're obviously longer. Not even worried. Not even once. Alright. I look like my friend Laura, actually. She has a very similar haircut to this. It's so weird not having any split ends. It's very strange, actually. I keep like forgetting. And then I'm Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It has a very I cut my hair myself look to it, but I like it. It's like neat, but not neat in all the wrong ways. My hair is naturally curly, and then I just prefer my hair curled anyways. I kind of want to do that thing that I've done where I take smaller areas to like frame my face a little bit more. I'm just gonna do that a little. Do that. I'm just gonna twist it and then cut it. Maybe that wasn't smart. See, I'm not doing anything crazy, guys. Alright, let's see how this looks before we go any further. Okay, yeah, it's just a little thing. So that if my hair is down, gives it just a little bit of like that. See? I'm gonna have way too much fun if I'm not careful. Oh, there it goes. Alright, cool. My heart is still beating really quickly. So, I curled the bottoms just a little bit. And I like it. I like how it turned out. I haven't actually like washed it yet, so I want to see how it looks with my hair naturally curly. But yeah, I really like it. So that's good. I can't wait to see how my parents and my boyfriend and stuff react. But I don't care. I'm really happy I actually did it. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I have a bunch of other stuff on my channel, like art and music and stuff. So if you're interested at all, please go check it out. Help me out a lot. Yeah, just thank you for watching me do this really exciting thing. Alright, bye!